So I just crawled out of bed and last night I realized I hadn't recorded anything for today because it's been kind of hectic. So this is what you get. Oh, so one of the things that I've been plagued with is if anybody that has ever created a Snapchat and let it gone inactive knows, or if you are actively on it, you'll notice that you get constant, like, what? Added as a friend constantly to different accounts or friend requests or whatever for different accounts. And I've had Gracies and Allies and, like, whatever add me on occasion. What's interesting is they all seem to be bot accounts. They all seem to be fake. They, like, you accept it and they either don't reply, so they're probably waiting for you to send a message, or they start sending you messages right away. There was this one point where I'm like, okay, curious what's gonna happen. And so I accept the request and immediately I get a snap out of nowhere. And it's like, what? So when I look at it, I immediately get another one after that. And after that, and after that, and after that. Now, the contents of these snaps were, like, progressively got lewder until it's like, okay, sign up for my OnlyFans. So, basically, all it was is a bot that sends you these slightly lewd videos in order to get you enticed to give her money. It's basically the same thing as all the eThots on Twitch and how the meta used to be. Sub to my Twitch, get my premium Snapchat. For whatever reason, it's like, why? But it makes sense. They are all eThot bots just after your money. They could care less about you. They're not there because they like you. They're there because they want your money. It's also just like the whole OnlyFans thing. Well, OnlyFans, it's very, very blatant. We all know what they're after. The other thing that it kind of leans into is anybody that's ever created an account on a dating app knows that some of those dating apps can be rather plagued with bots. And it's really interesting when you come across a bot, and I think they harvest, like, images off of social media for some of these. They use these images and create bot accounts on these dating apps, and it gets really weird when it's someone you know. Because it's like, what? Why? So, you know the person, they don't respond to any messages in the dating app, and it's like, what the heck? But, okay, and it makes you wonder. Because it's like, oh no, they've used the images, but a different name maybe somewhat. I don't know how it works. Or maybe the person just genuinely, liked you as well in the app, and then they could care less about messaging back or whatever. Who knows? It's just kind of weird because I believe I've also seen duplicate accounts, because I've seen this happen on a Latter-day Saint oriented dating app, which I haven't touched in forever. And in there was someone that I knew from church. I've seen at church, and it's like, what? And it's like, okay, what the heck, like, or whatever. And then it's like mutual, like, and then message, and it's like nothing. A very interesting bio for whatever reason, but it's like, okay. And yeah, nothing at all. It's like, I think somewhat the smaller apps that way and the more religiously oriented ones are more plagued with them. Or even sometimes it's friends that's setting up an account for their friend in order to try and get people. And it's like, nothing happens. They don't even message back or nothing. And it's like, why did you do that? So, women on Snapchat aren't real. And 90% of women on dating apps aren't real. So, go find a woman in real life. And, if it really helps, don't install Arch. Start by installing Gentoo, and after you start the Gentoo install, get up, go find a woman, because you're going to do something else anyway while everything compiled. If you enjoyed the video, then like, comment, subscribe, feed the algorithm, boost the video up, share this video with your friends. If you found it informative or you just want to chat, I've got plenty of places in the description. Discord, Guilded, and what have you. Check those out, and I will see you guys in the next one.